Hello and welcome to Exploring the Hollows. Something a little different today. Blizzard, March 2026. The worst blizzard I believe I've ever lived through. We shoveled yesterday in snowblower for 3 hours. And today it was like almost nothing. Almost like we did nothing yesterday, which is kind of what I thought, but
Get the garage door when you get it out.
okay.
Don't get buried in snow.
Yeah, so I will shovel this out. So yeah, just like a quick update on the weather here, I guess. Little break from all the complaining and bitching and whining about the government and the war that's going on, because I don't know really if we can do anything until the primaries. The number one thing you can do with that situation, we got to vote all the bums out. Go to operationconsequences.com and notanother.dollar.com and sign the pledge there that you are not going to vote for anyone who takes corporate PAC money or APAC money, because that is what's gotten us into the situation. No matter what party, 94% of our politicians are bought off by special interests, and almost none of them work for you. So we need to change that. We need to vote. Usually it's the incumbents, the people who have been in office the longest are always the more corrupt. So if you can vote out the old people, vote in the younger people who actually have values and are trying to do this for the voters, for their communities. That's who we want taking those seats. I'm pretty confident that the situation will be at least somewhat better. So do that. In the meantime, I need to figure out how to get my truck out of here so I can get to work. Hopefully I don't get stuck. There is a tow ban right now, so if I did get stuck, it'd be up to me to get out. And I think my tires are due to be replaced. So need to hurry up. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm going to get to work here. Thanks for checking in on me, and see you next week. Ad Astra, my friends. Go to notanother.dollar.com and operationconsequences.com to see what you can do to fix our government.